Surprise! Summer gifts for my favorite explorers.
Gifts?
For us?
Wow! A brand new tablet. It's so shiny. And a smartphone for me. Time to check the trending dances.
Use them wisely, okay? We have our big camping trip soon.
Sure, Mom.
Whatever you say.
I just reached level 10. Wait, I need to post this first. More likes. I need more followers to be a star. Don't stop now. Just a few more minutes. Morning already? Look at my new castle. Shh. I am editing my morning video.
Breakfast is ready, kids. Eat before it gets cold.
In a minute.
Not hungry, Mom.
Yes! Win! I got the super golden sword! Awesome! 1, 2, 3, turn. Wait, I missed the trend beat again.
Look outside, sweeties. The butterflies are here. Let's play ball.
Too bright out there. I can't see my screen. More gold. More likes. Ouch, my eyes hurt. Everything looks a bit blurry now.
My head feels heavy too. No more scrolling for today. Mia, are you tired of the screens too?
Yes, Leo. My eyes are so warm and heavy. Let's turn them off for a while. Let's rest. It is so quiet here now. I miss Mom's voice. Look outside, Leo. The sky is changing colors. Let's go to the garden. Yes, let's explore the real world. Wow, the grass feels so cool and soft. It feels way better than the plastic screen. Smell the fresh air, Leo. I forgot how nice the wind feels. Listen! Are those crickets? It sounds like a little backyard concert. Look, Leo, real glowing dots. They are flying. Wow. It's so tiny, and it lights up without any battery. This is a real trend. No camera can capture how beautiful this is. Look at them go! Nature is the best playground.
The car is packed. Everything is ready for the Starlight adventure.
Last call, sweeties. Hop in or we will miss the fireflies.
No, Mom, my Pixel Game event is starting.
I need to check my online status first.
They actually left. It's fine, we have our screens. Mia, it feels too quiet. Usually, Mom is singing in the kitchen.
Just put on your headphones, Leo. The online world is louder anyway.
I don't want to play anymore, Mia. I want Mom and Dad. Me too, Leo. What did we do? Oh no, my screen just went completely black. The battery is dead. Mine too. Everything is turning off. The whole house feels so dark now. Mia, I'm a little scared. It's too quiet.
Don't worry, Leo. Hold my hand. We are safe together.
Aha! I found Dad's old camping flashlight. This will help us see. Click! Look, Leo, it works! The light is so bright and warm.
Wow! It's like a real adventure quest. Let's go find Mom and Dad right now.
Look, Mia, over there. It's the camping tent. And it looks beautiful with all the lights.
Oh, Mia, Leo, you came out. Come here, my brave adventurers.
Mom, we are so sorry we stayed inside. Shh, you are here now. That's all that matters.
Look at the stars on the ground. It's magic. Better than any video game graphics.
Real strawberry pie. It tastes 1,000,000 times better than the internet food.
This is the best night ever. No Wi-Fi needed for real happiness.
Wow.
Good night, stars.
Good morning, sunshine. The birds are so loud today. Wow! My eyes feel great today. No more blurry pixels.
The air smells like sweet flowers. This is better than any morning app.
Good morning, my sweet explorers. Who wants to help me wash these fresh berries?
Me!
I do.
Look at the water splashing. It's so cool. And these strawberries are huge.
You two are the best little helpers. Real food made by real teamwork tastes amazing.
Cheers to the real summer adventure.
Wow! Look at this little guide. It is so bright.
Leo, look around us. More are coming. They are everywhere.
It landed on my finger. It feels so warm and tiny.
This is a real miracle, Leo. No phone screen can ever look this beautiful. Let's follow them, Mia. Yes. Let's chase the magic. It's the Firefly Valley, right in our garden.
The real world is way better than pixels.
You are right. No Wi-Fi needed for real fun. Look, Mia, over there. It's the camping tent. And it looks beautiful with all the lights.
Oh, Mia, Leo, you came out. Come here, my brave adventurers.
Mom, we are so sorry we stayed inside.
Shh, you are here now. That's all that matters.
Look at the stars on the ground. It's magic. Better than any video game graphics.
Real strawberry pie. It tastes 1,000,000 times better than internet food.
This is the best night ever. No Wi-Fi needed for real happiness. Good night, virtual world.
We are back home, but everything feels different now. The sun feels warmer.
No tablet needed this morning. I'm gonna run in the real park.
I'm making a real scrapbook of nature. It lasts much longer than a video view.
Look what I found. Who wants to plant a real sunflower today?
We do. Grow big and tall, little seed. We will water you every single day.